my channel. It's Jada. So today I'm going to be giving a tour of my workspace. It is super messy and I usually thrive in a mess. I work better when things are messy. I mean, crafters know what I mean, you know. So yeah, let's get into the video. If you like this video, comment down below, and if you have any suggestions, I'm open to it, as I'm a new YouTuber, or attempting YouTube, because this is still super fresh. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off first here. I usually have my laptop here, and I watch videos while I make necklaces. Everything's a mess, like I said. This is the ring light that I shoot with that is illuminating this area. Also the light up there. This is just where I keep a lot of extra supplies, like jump rings, my real gold and polymer clay goes in here. And then I have like extra beads that I'm not working with, that are not out, that I just savor. These are my already made necklaces that I packaged, and these are my strings that I work with. This is what I make those bracelets with. This is what I make necklaces with usually. And I make necklaces with the string, that stretchy string I got from Joann's. These two bottom drawers are packaging supplies. And then over here, I don't even know what happened. Sorry, I hope it was filming. But this is my pearl type of beads, extra beads in there, and so on and so forth. And here, this is makeup, because I'm very disorganized. I have my chain link extenders here. I just have a few random items that I'm working with. My beads, already made necklace. I just finished these. These are going to the craft show in November that I'm doing in Huntington Beach. Some beaded chain, a tripod, music setup, the thermal printer, extra beads, and like an extra light for extra illumination. Lots of lights, because when you're making jewelry, you want to be able to see. I have my gloves for when I'm making jewelry for people. I don't like to just use my hands. I want to be very sanitary. Also my stickers, my company stickers, small business actually, not a company yet. Over here is sewing supplies and extra craft materials. So I have like turf for if I do like an art painting. I have already made handle, some random stuff in here, pens, and then I have my sewing supplies in there, and then this is just extra paper. This is my displays that I put my stuff on. And over here is extra. This is where I started off doing beads, was over here. So I have rows and rows of beads. As you can see, I have a bead ring obsession, but I also have run a small business that includes beads. So more beads over there, beads over here, beads, and more beads. These are my chains to make body chains. So like I string them on wire. More beads, these I just bought, chains, and some pendants. They're really pretty. Take a look at those, very beautiful. And some plastic beads, roll of chain, and also this is real gold plated jewelry. I priced that a little bit higher than the other ones. This is a chain. Try to focus that chain I just bought. It's super expensive. These chains are like, now I realize why this ball of chain is $50, but it's so beautiful. I'm gonna make a body chain, a necklace, earrings, and anklet set with these. And I'm gonna buy more. These are just, you know what those are. And if you don't, just ask. These are my books. Very into healthcare and, you know, herbalism. So like, this is just stuff that I either read while I'm doing jewelry, or this is extra beading supplies, whether it be string, wire string, extra chains that are already made. These are my keychains. These are necklace chains. And then I have the very large jump rings. Oh my god. Sorry about the dirt under my nail. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, hey, I'm human. And just extra empty bins and extra supplies down here. This is my 3D paint, right? And this has a whole bunch of extra supplies, whether it be beads, little links, chains, all that. So that's everything. Give you a whole overview of the room. Yes, I'm a very messy person, but I feel like I just thrive better in a mess. I don't know why. I am planning on organizing it. I know it's gonna end up going back to being messy, but it's better to organize from time to time. My extra computer is fabric down there. Fabric's in there too. That is all my canvases for painting or already painted art. And on the wall right there is a painting that I'm thinking about doing resin on. So that's everything here. So that's my workspace tour. I know it's like super messy. I need to clean up. I need to clean my nails. But yeah, that's my workspace. And my cute little necklaces I just made. I gotta get up the frame for it to focus. Yeah, I'm planning on doing a video showing my cleanup process and organizing. I'm thinking about rearranging all of the furniture in here, so it's not gonna look the same very soon. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you for watching, and like, comment down below.